Self-sabotage can be a difficult pattern to break. It can show up in our lives in a variety of ways, from procrastination to avoidance of situations that make us uncomfortable. It's a way of preventing ourselves from reaching our full potential, usually because of fear or a lack of self-confidence. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to stop this self-defeating behavior and start taking control of your life. With the right mindset and a commitment to change, you can develop healthy habits and behaviors that will help you reach your goals and live a life of fulfillment. In this video, we'll explore the causes of self-sabotage and provide practical tips on how to break the cycle and move forward. Self-sabotage is when a person intentionally or unintentionally prevents themselves from achieving their goals. It can manifest in a variety of ways, such as procrastination, perfectionism, and self-criticism. This behavior can be triggered by fear, insecurity, or a lack of self-confidence. Over time, it can become a destructive pattern that holds us back from achieving our goals and living a fulfilling life. The first step in overcoming self-sabotage is recognizing it. Once you can recognize the signs and symptoms, you can take action to break the cycle and move forward. Self-sabotage is usually rooted in fear or a lack of confidence. Fear can manifest in a variety of ways, such as the fear of failure or the fear of success. It can also be the result of negative self-talk or a lack of self-belief. It can also stem from a feeling of unworthiness or a belief that we don't deserve to be successful. This type of self-sabotage is often rooted in past experiences and limiting beliefs. We can also be influenced by our environments or the people around us. If we are surrounded by negative or critical people, it can lead to self-sabotaging behavior. Signs you are self-sabotaging. Self-sabotage can be difficult to recognize, especially if it's something that has been ingrained in your behavior for a long time. It's important to recognize the signs, so that you can take action and stop the behavior. Here are some common signs of self-sabotage: procrastination, avoidance of certain tasks or situations, perfectionism, self-criticism, undermining your own success, setting unrealistic expectations, and staying in unhealthy relationships. If you recognize any of these behaviors in yourself, it may be time to take action and stop the cycle of self-sabotage. Strategies to stop self-sabotage. Once you have identified the signs and causes of self-sabotage, you can take action to break the cycle. Here are some strategies that can help you stop self-sabotage and move forward. Challenge negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can be a major contributor to self-sabotage. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, take a moment to pause and challenge the thought. Ask yourself if it's true and if it's helping or hurting you. Build self-confidence. A lack of self-confidence can lead to self-sabotage. To build self-confidence, focus on your strengths and practice positive self-talk. Overcome fear. Fear can be a major obstacle to success. To overcome fear, start by acknowledging the fear, and then take small steps to move forward. Develop healthy habits. Habits are powerful tools for creating lasting change. Develop healthy habits that will help you reach your goals and stay on track. Reduce stress. Stress can be a major cause of self-sabotage. To reduce stress, practice relaxation techniques and prioritize your mental and emotional health. These strategies can help you break the cycle of self-sabotage and start taking control of your life. With consistency and dedication, you can develop healthy habits and behaviors that will help you reach your goals and live a life of fulfillment. Self-sabotage is a difficult habit to break, but it is possible with the right mindset and a commitment to change. Start by recognizing the signs and causes, then take action to break the cycle and start taking control of your life. With the right strategies, you can turn self-sabotage into self-mastery. If you feel called to learn even more in-depth strategies to eliminate self-sabotage and clear the mental clutter, giving you the peace of mind you need to live in harmony with yourself, then you are ready for the 5 Ways to Eliminate Self-Sabotage mini course. Keep watching and check out the link in the description for more information.
Self-sabotaging thoughts, lacking positivity, being rigid in your own thinking. All of these things are major setbacks that prevent us from fulfilling our full potential. And we're hardly ever aware these things are even happening. So, what can you do right now, today? Thankfully, I created a mini course that gets to the very core of the problem by using simple strategies to eliminate self-sabotaging thoughts. Let me introduce you to the 5 ways to eliminate self-sabotaging thoughts, how to turn self-sabotage into self-mastery. Here's what you'll discover inside this course. How to recognize limiting thoughts and beliefs. How to transform those thoughts into positive ones using unique strategies. How to design the type of person you want to become and choose your life's purpose. How to let go of painful self-programming and experiences that are shaping your reality and making you unhappy. How to become happier, more positive, and even luckier. How to become the best version of yourself so that you can achieve the most from life, and so much more. Let me tell you, no stone is left unturned in this simplistic mini course that will help you become an expert at eliminating self-sabotaging thoughts and to further set you up for success. When you make the investment to purchase this course, you'll receive 2 free bonuses. Bonus number 1 is the Mind Reset ebook. This ebook outlines how to reset your mind so you can have greater clarity and focus in your professional and your personal life. Bonus number 2 is the Daily Affirmation Handbook. Now, this ebook outlines how to program your subconscious mind and develop positive actions to help you reach your goals. Now, if you're ready to learn how to maximize your mindset and take control of your thoughts and life, this is the course for you.